Hello, my beautiful family. Welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time stopping by, the name is Pretty Sarah. Please consider becoming a member of this channel. On the menu today is some delicious fried chicken wings with and without coating it with flour. So I divided it into two. What you see on there is for my princess without the flour coating, right? And this here is for the grown-ups. Let's get started. Clean your chicken wings nicely with salt and water, or if you have lime, do well to use it as well, and rinse it thoroughly to get rid of that taste. This is going to be our marinade. Some scotch bonnet pepper, well actually it's one, a big one, a quarter of green bell pepper, some scallions, onions, ginger, bay leaves, basil, and dried thyme. Listen, this marinade, a bosso, just a dankasa. The Ghanaian in me, I can never hide it. See, I was trying to speak English throughout, but obwa, enfa, that will not work. So please, as I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, okay? I really appreciate your support. So blend all the marinade until smooth. Add it to your chicken. But before that, I added adobo seasoning. So, in no particular order, just add all the marinade you saw on there. Then salt, obviously. And please feel free to omit anything you are intolerant to. Okay? Yes, eat what will make you healthy. Feel free to let me know in the comment section how you prepare your chicken. Do you bake it in the oven? Do you fry it? Do you air fry it? Just let me know. Or do you grill it? Hey bro, for dross. What else here? Just let me know in the comment section. I do all of them. Depending on the mood. That's it. I added all the marinade, the seasonings, covered it, left it for about an hour. Chicken is like fish, right? It takes few minutes for it to absorb all the marinades and become flavorful. You can also choose to leave it overnight in the fridge or even marinate it for 4 to 6 hours, okay? That's also fine. After an hour, I went back to the kitchen and turn the cooker on. So we're going to bring this to a boil, right? If you are using coal pot, bojenim, what I say? Mejamra say. This is after about 10 minutes. I checked on it, it was boiling. So I stirred. Just mix. We want everything to be uniform. Equal distribution. Hey, I can be a wholesaler. You know my voiceovers. Just they are all over. Anything they inside. So after stirring, I rinsed the blender. So this is not another marinade. It's the same one. I thought I was going to put it in the fridge after rinsing the blender. But I realized it had to go in. So, it's better than adding just water. I let it boil for an additional 7 to 8 minutes. It shouldn't be fully cooked. Why? Because I'm still going to fry it. Yay, you overcook it. As nice as a pepper. Yes. So please make sure it's not fully cooked. Yeah. Doing it this way also prevents those who like to be stealing from their cooked meat before frying them to stop it. This will stop them because at the end of the day, it's not fully cooked. Yeah, so this is one trick or tip I've given you. I divided it into 3. Fried the first part without coating it with flour. That's what you see on there. And this is for my princess because I know she doesn't like the coating. Even me, sometimes I don't like it. Yeah. So I fried it nicely. This chicken came out so delicious. You'll see it at the end of the video. It was so juicy on the inside and the outside wasn't bad at all. Very crispy on the outside, but then still juicy and most importantly, not overcooked. Frying is a method of cooking. If you want us to do catering here, oh, listen, vocational skills, let's go. So the methods of cooking: frying, boiling, grilling, baking, you name it. Continue in the comment section. Please subscribe before you get carried away. Yeah, I know. I can make you laugh. Please subscribe, okay? Like the video, it's free of charge, and share to your friends and family. Thank you. I then went ahead to add some chicken seasoning to flour and coated the remaining 2/3 of the chicken. Look at how this chicken is looking. Isn't this gorgeous? Over there are mine. That of the adults. I'm not going to eat all of these. Yes, it was for the grown-ups, the adults that just went in. I fried them very nice as well. You can pair this with your rice. All the rice recipes: fried rice, wache, jollof, and one more. Any rice recipe, your kenke, anything really. Just look at how moist it is on the inside. I told you it's not dry at all. So just follow it, and then your chicken is gonna be like mine. This is Pretty Alicia. After school, this is what she enjoyed. I'm going to share my wache recipe with you very soon. Another assignment for you all. Please let me know in the comment section what you would pair your fried chicken wings with. I enjoy mine with some delicious fried rice or jollof rice recipe. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.